I hit this issue to date, and here is a quick fix that solved it. Linking your bank account on Razorpay is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into Razorpay. Start by logging into your Razorpay account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to the bank accounts section. Once logged in, look for the bank accounts option in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access the section where you can manage your linked accounts. Step 3. Click on Add Bank Account. In the Bank Account section, find and click the Add Bank Account button. This will open a form where you can enter your bank details. Step 4. Fill in your bank details. Enter the required information, including your bank name, account number, and ISK code. Double-check these details to avoid any errors, as a small mistake can lead to issues with transactions. Step 5. Submit and verify your account. Before starting recovery, use the Razorpay.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. That's it. Your bank account should now be linked to Razorpay. If you encounter any issues, make sure to check the details you entered for accuracy. Happy transacting!